Hi, welcome to Deel. We are happy to have you on board. We know that you may have many questions as you onboard with us in Belgium, so we will be going through some country-specific information such as where you can find your social security number certificate and national register number, secondly, where to find the holiday certificate from your previous employer, and lastly, holidays in Belgium, how does it work? First of all, the Social Security number certificate and national register number are the same number. You will be able to find it on your Social Security bills and documents, but more commonly, you can find it on the top left corner at the back of your Belgian ID or residence permit. Secondly, your holiday certificate. This document is provided by your previous Belgian employer and shared with you upon your end date or following your last day of employment. This is solely provided by Belgian employers, and other holiday certificates coming from abroad won't be valid under our compliance documents. We will base your holiday entitlement on this certificate. Lastly, holidays in Belgium. How does it work? Well, in Belgium, employees accrue their statutory holiday entitlement based on the days worked in Belgium the previous year. If the employees have not worked the full previous year, their holiday entitlement will be prorated accordingly. If employees have not worked in Belgium during the last civil year, no statutory holiday can be taken. However, employees will be entitled to take their European days and their additional holiday entitlement. Please note that the European days are paid on payslip, but retrieved on the holiday allowance paid out in June the following year. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Deel. We hope this information was useful to you and your onboarding journey.